One story I like to tell is a patient that has been avoiding the dentist for years, and we all have those ideas in our mind of who would be fearful or anxious about things, and we don't usually picture the real big dude, tough, strong. That's not what we picture as being fearful, but guess what? It doesn't matter what you look like or what you are good at. Everyone can have a fear, and oftentimes it's going to the dentist. So we have a lovely patient who, guess what, needed a hip replacement. Now, many people don't think about this, but there are other problems that you have that can't be solved until you have your dental work done. And one of those would be hip and knee replacements. So he came in because he was in such agony, he needed to have his hip replaced, and his only barrier was his dental health, which wasn't good. Luckily, we were able to sedate him, and we got all of his dental work done. And this was years of accumulation. And within a month, we had him healthy. And believe it or not, we saw him out after his hip surgery. And do you know he thanked us for solving his hip? So that felt really good. And we're happy that he's out and about and walking and feeling great. And his teeth look great too. And he's feeling really good about himself.